Hey, welcome to Rusty Ball. Today I'm going to make yet another tool hanger. I think I got like 3 more to go, so this is going to be the first of those. And then I'll be done with that, and I'll spread them out, but over the course of the next few weeks, whatever. But I got to make another tool hanger for my wife's garden shed. And how simple this is kind of depends on how easy the weld goes together. Now I've cleaned these up. I'm just using sand for flux. So, sometimes welds go fine and sometimes they don't. And a lot of it's just going to depend on my fire and, whatever. So, but at any rate, should be an easy thing. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to start this over with 2 fresh, relatively new railroad spikes from my friend Donnie. So, see how this goes. Yeah, okay. Oh, another one. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna shape this into the tool holder for my just to make sure. There. All right, thanks for hanging out. That's 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one over there. Garden hanging tools, 2 more to go. And then I get back to sharp pointy stuff. So, all right, hope you had a good week, and I'll see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.